Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Ordering from TEMU internationally in 2026 is easier than you might think, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the TEMU app from your device's app store. Whether you're on iOS or Android, search for TEMU and hit install. Once it's downloaded, open the app and you're ready to start shopping. Step 2. Create your account by entering your email address or connecting through social media. You'll need to verify your email, so check your inbox for the confirmation link. After verification, you can set up your profile and add your payment information. Step 3. Browse the massive catalog of products available. You can search by category, use the search bar, or scroll through trending items. TEMU has everything from fashion to electronics, and prices are incredibly competitive. Step 4. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout when you're ready. Make sure your shipping address is correctly entered, especially if you're ordering internationally. Double-check the estimated delivery time before confirming your order. Step 5. Complete payment using your credit card, debit card, or digital wallet. Review your order one final time and hit the purchase button. You'll receive a confirmation email with tracking information so you can monitor your shipment every step of the way.